Any questions? Yeah.
Are they the same size as the old ones?
Yes, I believe so. Yep.
You mentioned the cables that goes from Ethernet to serial. What serial? Like what kind of serial port?
RS-232 serial. The standard, like, there's a serial port on the serial you can use for console communication. That's kind of what it is. More questions?
You mentioned something about encoders.
Yes. On the Jaguar, actually, if I go back to the beginning, you can see there's a whole bunch of pins on the front. There's one of those that's for an encoder input. It's available on the 2009 Jaguars as well. And using QnA, if you plug an encoder in, you'll be able to receive data about that through the Jaguar. All right, any more questions? Or okay. That pretty much wraps up what I have to say about these Jaguars, so I'm not sure.
No.
Yeah.
You also mentioned that you have to make your own cables.
Yeah.
Or like the parts provider, you have to get them.
Is there?
I'm not sure.
And do you know if there's any diagrams available? Or do you have to?
Pardon me?
Do you know if there's any diagrams available on how to make it?
Yes, there's documentation on that. Yeah.
Do you know where that documentation is?
It's only available to the beta teams right now. I would give it to you, but strictly speaking, we signed an agreement saying that we wouldn't give out any documentation or source code. And that's because they don't want different versions or immature documentation floating around.
So it's not
No, it's not. But if you talk to the teams on the first forums, they'll probably be able to provide you with what they've done.
Right.
Right. So.
Okay, I'm very sorry. In your diagram, you showed that the Jaguar has multiple colors, gray and black. Do you know if those Jaguars are any different by chance? Or are they exactly the same?
Well, the gray Jaguars are the ones from 2009. So you'll be able to plug those in. You have one Jaguar that's plugged into the host via serial cable, and then the other Jaguars can be connected via their RJ12 ports. So you connect this port here to another Jaguar, whereas you connect this one over here. And you'll be able to connect any combination. You can use 2009, 2010 Jaguars, whatever. It's pretty.
So like the 2009 Jaguars can also be hooked, right?
Yes. But they can't be hooked up with the serial cable. Yes.
The 2010 Jaguars, are they available commercially or are they being made especially for FRC? Because the 29 we could get from DigiKey. Do you know if they're going to be able, like, is this a special Jaguar that's being made for FRC?
I'm not sure. I think it might be. I'm not sure about that.
These are just the firmware.
Right.
The firmware is built with that.
Yeah.
Do you know if they fixed the issue that a lot of teams had last year where when the transistors would burn out and they wouldn't run into regression?
I'm not sure if they fixed that. I know that if a transistor, you can also read back errors from the Jaguar, so if a transistor burned out, you would probably know exactly what happened to it. So I'm not. So, more questions?
Yes, again. The pins you mentioned for the encoders,
Yeah.
can they take any sensor input or just encoders?
In theory, they could take any sensor input, but they're set up, the firmware in the Jaguar is set up to read them as a quadrature encoder. So if you wanted to put